Leah and Daksh. So, what are you guys going to do now?
We are going to show the GPS.
Not GPS, it's ChatGPT. So, you will play grade 3 mathematics quiz, okay?
Why am I supposed to play grade 3 when I'm in grade 5?
You don't answer any questions.
No, I want.
Okay, let your brother answer all the questions.
No.
Okay.
No.
All right. So what we will do is we'll ask a question. All right. Hang on. Stop laughing. Okay. So we'll ask a question to ChatGPT, and I'll say,
Daksh,
wait.
be quiet.
Can you
Don't be so excited.
ask
me 25 questions of mathematics, grade 3.
Daksh, be quiet. Can you ask 25 questions for grade 3 mathematics one by one and wait for my answer
Naughtiness.
to be typed? Okay, what is 7 plus 5? Go ahead, Daksh.
12.
Daksh. Come on, type. What is 7 plus 5?
7 plus 5 is equal to 12. Okay, now we'll try.
Hey, Daksh, be quiet.
93. No, 93. 9 2 is 18. 9 3 is 27. That's a you type. Yeah, that's what I'm doing.
What is 15 divided by 3?
200.
No. 15 divided by 3.
In 3's table where 15 comes. Easiest. 3 1 is 3, 3 2 is 6, 3 3 is 9, 3 4 is 12, 3 5 is 15, 3 6 is 18, 3
It's
7
5. 3 into 5 is 15. So the answer is 15. If you divide,
The answer is 15.
sorry, the answer is 5. Press enter. Okay, next one. Good work. Here's the next question. What is the value of 4 into 6?
4 1 is 4, 4 2 is 8, 4 3 is 12, 4 4 is 16, 4 5 is 20, 4 6 is 24, 4 7 is 28, 4 8 is 26. 4 6 is over.
Okay, type 24.
What's doing this?
Okay, correct. Here's the next question. What is 8 plus 9?
Plus 9. That's so easy. Just. What? That means.
What is 8 plus 8?
8 plus 8 is equal. What is it?
Correct. 8 plus 9 is 17.
I'm good in sitting.
Perfect. Here's the next question. What is 20 minus 9?
So simple. Please don't. Stop laughing and tell the answer. You're making me laugh. 20 plus 9 is equal
20
to
minus 9.
11.
Correct.
For that part, you need this much.
Great answer, Daksh. Here is the next question. What is 4 into 7?
4 1s are
Daksh, stop laughing. Be serious.
4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12, 4 4s are 16, 4 5s are 20, 4 6 are 12, 4 7s are 28, 4 8s are
4 7s are 28.
Seriously.
Right on. Here's the next question. What is 9 plus 6?
9 plus 6 is no, if you don't overact now.
15. Okay, type it. Excellent. Here is the next question. What is 8 into 9?
8 1s are 8, 8 2s are 12, 8 3s are. What is 8 10s are? 8 10s are is equal to 80, 8 10s are 8.
Daksh.
80 minus 8 is equal to 72.
Correct.
Thank you.
Wait, it's thinking very
Very
good.
good. Don't shout.
What is 20 divided by 4?
4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12, 4 4s are 4.
That,
Wrong. 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12, 4 4s are 12. What is 15? 4 5s are 20.
so
Five.
5. The answer is 5.
5. Back. Think properly.
What is 7 into 8?
7 1s are 7, 7 2s are 14, 7 3s are 27, 7 4s are 28. 7 27 Sorry, 7 1s are 7, 7 2s are 14, 7 3s are 21, 7 4s are 28, 7 5s are 35, 7 6s are 42, 7 7s are 49, 7 8s are 56. What is the next question?
Awesome. Here is the next question. What is 10 plus 11? That's stop playing games.
21. Thank you. Actually, the ChatGPT should tell thank you.
Perfect. Here is the next one. What is the value of 12 into 3?
12 1. No 12 table. At least what I didn't learn 12 table. Stop lying.
Okay, you ask your sister.
48.
12 3 is 48. Oh my god.
What? It's correct. Wrong. Let
Yeah,
me
no,
check in the table. Correct. It's correct. Don't go anywhere now. Come.
No,
Yes,
it's not correct.
it is. It says good job.
ChatGPT is wrong over there. 12 3 is 36.
12 ones are 12, 12 twos are 24, 12 threes are 48.
No, it's 36. ChatGPT got it wrong here.
GPT is wrong.
Okay.
GPT is the master.
Okay, that's fine. Let's move on to the next one. What is 20 minus 8?
20 minus 8. So easy peasy lemon squeezy. What is 20 minus 8? 20 minus 8 is equal to 12.
Good answer. Here is the next question. What is 5 into 9?
5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 5 threes are 50 minus 5. 50.
Minus 5.
45. Thanks.
Stop playing games. Be serious.
He's acting like as if he doesn't know any table except one. That is one table. 15.
What is 8 plus 7?
8 plus 7 is equal. Gosh. What is 8 twos are? 8 twos are is equal to 16. Minus 1. Minus 1.
Daksh, be serious.
15.
What is 9 into 4?
9 ones are 9, 9 twos are 18, 9 threes are 27, 9 fours are 32. Not 32, 36. Nonsense. What is 20 divided by 5? 20 divided by 5. 4.
Correct.
Is it a guess? What is 6 into 7? 6 ones are 6. 7 ones are 7. 7 twos are 14. 7 threes are. 7 ones are
Daksh.
7 ones are 7. 7 twos are 14. 7 threes are 21. 7 fours are 28. 7 fives are 35. 7 six are 42. 42. What is 12 plus 9? 12 plus 9 is equal to 31.
Is it-
21. You may do a question 1 hour. Try again later. Only till 20 questions are over.
Okay, say bye now, Dad.
Bye. We're going to sleep. Bye.